All right, back at the guitar shop. Here's Randy Reviews. Here we have the Ryobi 40 volt jet fan blower. This thing is a beast. We got this last year and it's holding up pretty well. Comes with this charger for you that just plugs into 120 power. And it's got a series of lights on here that tell you where exactly your battery is at any point. If it's charging, it'll be flashing. When it's ready, it turns solid green and full. Is that right? It flashes. It's got your power and your testing. There's a light on here to let you know that it is charged in and working, and the battery just basically slides onto here. And these lights just coincide with lights that are on the back of the battery.
So it'll show you like if it's fully charged or if it's partially charged.
Right. This thing is not heavy at all. Yeah, the whole unit itself probably weighs about the same as this battery. It's pretty light. It's not the lightest thing in the world, but it's also not the heaviest thing in the world. The battery just slides in right there on the top. So this thing is great to use as a sweeper in your garage. If you just want to blow some stuff out of there. Not terribly loud, not terribly heavy. And yeah, it's great for leaves, blowing leaves in the fall. Works great as just a sweeper for cleaning up around the garage or cleaning off grass clippings off the porch or off your driveway after you cut the grass. The Ryobi 40 volt jet fan blower, pretty awesome. Just plug the battery back in and you can see here, it's got a series of lights. You can tell that this one's almost all the way charged. It's got 3 bars on it. And when it hits that 4th bar, it'll shut itself down and we know we're done.